To activate tap on your TD debit card, start by ensuring your card is compatible with this feature. Most TD debit cards issued after 2015 have this capability. If you are unsure, you can check your card for the contactless symbol or contact TD customer service. Next, you need to have a TD account that is in good standing and has a positive balance. This is crucial because the tap feature is linked directly to your account, and any transactions will be deducted from your available balance. To activate the tap feature, you can either visit the TD website or mobile app. If you prefer the website, log into your account and navigate to the debit card section. Look for the option to manage your card settings and select the tap activation option. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Alternatively, you can use the TD mobile app. After logging in, select your debit card from the account list and choose the Manage Card option. Then, select the tap activation option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you have activated the tap feature, you can start using it to make purchases. To do this, look for the contactless symbol at checkout counters and hold your card close to the terminal. You will know the transaction is processing when you see the lights flash or hear a beep. Some transactions may require you to enter your PIN for added security. It is essential to keep your card and account information secure. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to TD customer service immediately. Also, be aware of your surroundings when using the tap feature to avoid any potential scams. In conclusion, activating tap on your TD debit card is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through the mobile app. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can enjoy the convenience of contactless payments while maintaining the security of your account.